Hello and welcome to another episode by BTC. Today is Friday, May 20th, 2022. And today we're going to have a quick update on Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin is trading within this triangle pattern. Earlier in the morning, we were testing right up at the upper resistance, but we have been since rejected. Last night, there was a point where we kind of had like a quick breakup. Unfortunately, that did not close above this resistance. It was just basically a quick to trap early longers, trap them in, and usually after a trap we have pushed down because these guys are forced to close their longs, thus driving the price of Bitcoin. So what can we expect right now? Well, until we break out of this triangle pattern, we're just waiting, okay? We shouldn't be trading inside the triangle patterns. We have to wait until we break out and until we have a confirmation. So usually what we do is wait for the breakout, retest, and this is where you would long. Or to the downside, when we break out of this support, retest, and then we enter here to catch the downside, okay? Because if you do it like right here, it's what happened to a lot of people. They got trapped and yeah, you would lose money, okay? Let's look at the lower time frame, the 1 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. It's pretty clear here. This is the area where Bitcoin has been having troubles getting above. Right now, this area is around $30,500. And you can see where we were rejected and we're coming down. So we're probably going to come down and retest this area around $28,900. And we can even wick down to $28,700, which you can see is our key support area for the long term. If we zoom out, we go to the weeklies, we can see that blue line represents the areas where we wicked down to during this whole bull run. So here, this acted as resistance in December, support, and right now it's acting as support. This is like the last area. This is like the last line of defense for the bulls, okay? So we don't want to have any weekly closes below this level. So far, the bulls have been able to maintain it. They've been pushing the price up, but the bears, they're still applying pressure. But so far, we haven't had a weekly close below this line. So this is what we want to see. This Sunday, keep your eyes open. We don't want to close below this level, okay? But for the short term, if you are going to trade this is the area you should be looking at. Trade the breakouts, okay? When we look at the 1 hour, let's go back to the 1 hour. We can see that Bitcoin had finally managed to get above all these moving averages all the way up here, and it was trying to maintain it. Now we are below it, so we're gonna have to wait once again until we get above those moving averages, and that's probably going to coincide with these area of resistance, okay? So if we get above these, we're gonna be getting above a lot of resistance here, plus we're going to go above the moving averages. So that's going to, but that also applies in the opposite direction, okay? At the 4 hour, we can see that we were also moving above the 4 hour shorter time frame and shorter moving averages, and this is good, but we lost them, so we have to wait until we can reclaim them once again. Okay, so that's it. That's the update for Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great weekend. Bye. ¿Qué andas, mi amor?
Bye bye. Salida.
Ese es mi sello de salida.